Hello guys, welcome back to channel T-Lover. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon for the latest update. As you all know that we are getting back-to-back ransomware attack on our PC. So today we have a new ransomware attack and its extension is .wiot file virus. So in this video I'll teach you how to remove this virus from your PC and how to retype the data from infected PC. So let's begin. Before going to start this video, I want to tell you that if you have any question and queries regarding this topic or any topic, then you can directly contact me through tlover2054 in the Instagram. If you want other medium, then I have other medium also in my site. You can go to my site. I'll provided this link in the description below. There are the option for Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and WhatsApp and many more. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all, you will get this virus attack by using a pirated software, or you have just installed some things on the Chrome extension. So first you have to remove this virus from your computer so that you can retrieve your data or you can recover your data. So for removing the virus, there are a lot of antivirus softwares, but this virus will not allow you to install this antivirus software. So best method of removing this virus is formatting your PC. So for formatting your PC, you can use a bootable pen drive or you can use format option on the PC. So if you have a bootable pen drive, or you can just format your PC using a bootable pen drive, then it's better than using a format on the PC because it takes more times than the bootable pen drive. But if you cannot go through the bootable pen drive or loading a new Windows on your PC, then you have to simply format your PC. So I have written all the things in this blog also. You can go through it and you can remove the virus reading this blog also, else follow the video. You'll just able to recover your file successfully. Okay, so first of all you have to format your PC. So if you have any data on the local disk, it will not recover over here. I'm really sorry for that data on the C drive, but if you have data on DEF or external hard drive, then you can easily recover the file. Okay, so for formatting your PC, you have to just type in the search box and you have to type reset. So when you type the reset option, you will see or reset this PC over here. Just click on it. So after that, you have to just click on the get started, and when you click on the get started, you have to choose the remove everything, because if you just choose the remove my file, then the temp or cache file will remain on your PC and you can get that attack again on your PC. So I strongly recommend you to use the remove everything from your PC. So it will make your PC like you have just formatted your PC. So everything will be erased from your PC. So after erasing the PC, you have to follow the step. I'm just skipping this part because I don't want to format this PC. It will take a lot of time. Just wait for it. It can take 2 hours to 3 hours also. So just wait for it. After formatting, you have to do the following things. Do the thing that I am showing right now after formatting the PC. Okay, so just close this box, and when the all thing will be formatted on your PC, you'll have a Windows like this. So first of all, you have to install a data recovery tool to get your data back. You can find a data recovery software in my site. Okay, so I'll just provided this site in the description below. So this is the home page of your site. Okay, so in the home page, you have to just move to the ransomware file virus. So after scrolling down, you can see your extension ransomware. So you can choose any of them, or you will just choose your respective extension. So just click on this extension. So after clicking on the extension, just scroll a bit down. There are a lot of ads, don't go through it. Okay, so just scroll down and you can see our option over there, this download option. Okay, so it's in the blue and green, you can see it. Just click on the download option. So you will find here a drive link over here, and you can download the software over here. Okay, so this software is already downloaded by me, and you can see this. Okay, so it required a password over here. I have just written that password in the blog also. Just check out the blog. Okay, so here is the password over here, Tlover. Okay, you see the password. So I'm just going to extract this file. So for extracting this file, you have to use the extract this file. So select your location, you can choose anything. so I'm just choosing the default location. Now choose a password as a tlover, so it is being extracted over here. Okay, so you can see that this is our file, so you have to just click on it. You will see a setup over here. Okay, now you have to run a normal setup over here. Okay, so just click on that. It takes only 30 seconds to install this application, but remember one thing, you have to crack the software. Without cracking you cannot retrieve your data. Okay, so just click on the OK, so it will install over here. So always download this software from my site only, because you can find this crack software and you will not able to recover your data if you do not crack this software. So I'll show you. If you do not crack the software, you can see a demo bar on the software over here. Okay, so let's see. We'll see the demo bar on the top of the software. Okay, if you haven't cracked the software, then you'll just click on the over here and it will ask for activation key, or you'll just see a demo option in the top bar. So we have to remove this demo to get our data back. So I'm just closing this, close this, and for cracking you have to move that folder. So you can see a crack folder over here. Click on the crack and you have to select the bit of your computer. I'm selecting the 64 bit. So here are the 3 files, but you need a 4 file over here. So one file will be in the DR folder. Okay, so you just copy this. Okay, you will go one step back, you will paste this thing over here, and altogether you will have a 4 file over here. So copy this 4 file. Now you will minimize this and you will search for the stellar data recovery shortcut in the desktop. Now you will click on the right of this stellar data recovery shortcut and you can see a open file location over here. Just click on that and you will redirect to the local disk installation folder. Okay, so you have to just paste this thing, paste over here, and you have to replace this thing. So do this for all and continue. Now it's done and we have successfully cracked our software. Now we'll check our software, it is cracked or not. So you can see that there is no demo option in the top bar of this stellar data recovery. Okay, so it means that our software has been successfully cracked and we are able to recover our file now. So first thing you will do is you have to remove this all data, because if you click on this all data, then it might take 10 to 12 hours to scan your hard drive. Okay, so it will take a lot of time. Do not go for this all data, but I recommend you to use the one at a time. Like if you need a Word and Excel file, then click on the Office document, or you will need a photo, click on the photos, or you will need audios, go for audio. If you need a video, then go for the video at once. Okay, so one at a time. So if you, this thing will really help you. Okay, so I'm just selecting the photos over here. Okay, so just click on the next option. Now you have to select a drive, from which drive you have to recover your data. Okay, so right now I have only C drive, so I'm just plugging a pen drive over here. So it doesn't matter from where you are just recovering the file. I'm just selecting the external drive over here. You can select the DEF, that specific drive you have infected in your PC. Okay, so this is the my drive over here. Okay, so as you see that there is a completely formatted pen drive over here. Okay, so I'll just retype some data from this. Okay, so select your drive and we'll just go for the scan. But before going for scan, you have to enable the deep scan on the left of your software. Okay, so just click on the deep scan and you will go for scan option. So it might take a lot of time to, so I'm just skipping this part. I'll show you the part after being the complete over this. Okay, so here our scan has been successfully complete over here. Okay, so you can see a pop-up over here. Okay, so you have to close this pop-up. You will see your raw data folder in the left bar of the software. Okay, so just click on that raw data and you can get the respective data on this folder. So if you need a BMP file, then you will get that BMP file inside it. Okay, so like this. So if you want JPG file, then you can find this JPG file like this, and if you want PNG file, you will find this like this respectively. If you go for document, then you will find a Excel file, Word file, or PDF file in a different folder. So like this you will get your data back. So After selecting the folder, you have to just click on the recover option and you have to select the destination where you want to recover the file, and you can recover your file. But I want to tell you that many viewers are just commenting me that they are just having this recover file in the same format of that virus extension. Like if they want to recover that tlover file, then just they are getting the tlover file at tlover.woit. So I want to tell you that this happens because the virus has not been completely removed from your PC. So first thing, you have to remove that virus completely from your PC. If you do not remove your virus from your PC, then this will again be in your PC, so that you will not able to recover your file. Resetting PC does not work for you, then please use the bootable pen drive to format your PC. That also still does not work for you, then you can use a strong antivirus for removing the virus. So after doing this, please try this method, then it will 100% recover your data. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit for the like option, press on the subscribe button to get the latest update. So thanks for the support.